Hello guys, welcome to Dominican Republic. Still we are in Dominican Republic in the area called Las Terrenas. Today we are going to the waterfall. The name of the waterfall is Salto Del Limon. Let's go and have some adventure. You can go with the horse, but actually we want to hike, and I like that. It's beautiful, but the road is a bit bumpy. I prefer to go like this. It's so quiet. I can just hear the flying around us. Wow, can you hear now? It's just the sound of water. I don't know if we are close to the waterfall or not, but we can hear the sound of the water. This is the river we should go through, and we should cross the river.
Do you have the right shoes?
Yes, look at that. I mean, these are great for hiking, going to the water, and they've been with me for ages in different countries. Look at this tree. We have seen something like this in Africa. Apparently some of the trees, when they want to protect themselves, they have these sharp things, and this is just for protection. That's nice. Go, they block our way. We actually saw a little, as they said, a small waterfall, but actually I think it was better because less people they went there. They were trying to sell us some tours, like going with the horses or with the guide, but actually we said that no, we are fine, we are just going to hike, and I'm glad we did it because otherwise whoever came with the tour, they didn't stop in the small waterfall, and that's why it was good for us. We had the whole waterfall for ourselves, and here apparently is the main one, and it's too busy. Okay, we should buy a ticket. This waterfall is amazing and beautiful and it's huge. I would like to take some drone shot, but I don't think it's possible now because it's so wet and there is no place to just do it, and it's too many people and I don't want to hurt anyone. Okay, let's go down to see what's there. I don't know why that dog is following Bruno. We just went down and saw another small waterfall, and now we are back. And actually there's less people, really less people. We had a great hike actually, but before we did the hike, when we were driving on the road to reach here, one guy just stopped us, and he was trying to sell us tours, and he was telling us that if we want to go, we can't go by foot and we should go by horses, or also we should get a guide. But because we have done some research before and we asked other local, and we knew that we can go by foot and we don't need to get any guide, or if we want to have fun, yes, we can go with the horse, but otherwise it should be fine. I'm not against of taking any tour or guide. I mean, usually I personally take some tours and guide, because some places you need a guide and you need local guides, but this place was fine. I mean, he was trying to sell like a tour for the waterfall, $120, which is quite a lot, but we just park our car. For parking we paid 150 pesos, which is $3, and also for the ticket to go to the waterfall we just paid 50 pesos, is $1, and it was quite cheap for us. That's why sometimes if you want to go somewhere, just before that do some research, and then you can save some money and you can spend that money in other activities and have fun. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to push the button down below and subscribe to my channel for more video. Woo, so hot.